have you ever wanted to code on your phone, but you felt like it's not possible? Like no laptop, no setup, so you just gave up. What if I tell you, you can actually build real projects right now from your Android phone? Well, here's the thing. Most people are doing it the wrong way. So, are you making the same mistake too? Watch to the end and I'll show you how to fix it. Now, it's very easy to install. All you have to do is just go to open your browser and search for this particular application called Acode. Now, it lets you run Visual Studio Code extensions, and most of what you will find on Visual Studio Code, you can hardly do it on this application, and it's very easy to install. You can actually install it directly from Play Store, from GitHub or F-Droid. Now, you can also download it from their website, and you can also find more information about the application. It's an open source application for Android, an open source editor for Android. So it has a lot of plugins, and most of what you will find, like I said before, what you find on Visual Studio Code, you can also find it on it. So once you have installed it, just open the application like this. Once you open it, if you click on this hamburger menu as right up here, click on it. Now you can see that's the sponsors. Now if you click on this fire icon, you can see you can open a folder. Now I can actually try to open a folder. Let me open Tamux first of all, so you can get the folder inside the storage. Now I can decide to leave the terminal home and open a particular project. I can add a path and select a folder. Now to actually use based on your phone, you might not be able to use the current folder, or if you already have a folder that you created, you can actually use that one, but you cannot use the home directory of your phone. So me, I'm going to be using the Tamux storage. I can see Acode also has their own storage which works on your phone to like split and able to access to all Acode files in one place, just like how Tamux is. So I want to open a file from Tamux and one project which I'm actually building, this AD-bot automation system. So you can open this and click on use this folder, then click on allow. Then this is the AD-box. Then once you have done all that, just click on OK. Then you see this AD-bots over here. Okay, this one, that's not the file, this is it. Then I'll click on this mark sign to import everything.
Make movies for free.
Now list all files in AD-bot. Too many files because you have. Okay. Now you tap on it to load all the files in AD-bot. As you can see, these are the files, and actually working very well. I have a lot of files. You can GitHub, AI commands, admin commands, a lot of JS commands. This actually does this folder just contains a lot of JavaScript files, which I can see everything is working well. You can actually open the config and try to modify stuff. The control feature and everything is actually working. Control A, Control C to copy. They're working well. If you click on the hamburger menu again and you go to search, you can search for any files inside the folder. You can search. You can see funding. Now it's picking the C from funding.yml. You can see you can search for anything using the search feature in your files and whatever. Now in the extension, this is the extension part. You can explore and download whatever extension you want. Live server, you can see live server is also there. You can download whatever extension you want and search for it. You will definitely find it. Then the installed, it will show the store will show whatever that has been installed and able to use it. So you can also sign up and log in just like in Visual Studio Code. That will take you to the official website. You can do the registration and so on and so forth like that. Now if you go back to the application, to be able to see a terminal, once you have go to the extension and installed the terminal, the Acode terminal, if everything installed it, then you click on this three dot icon up here, then click on it. Then you see something like terminal. Click on terminal, then it will load. You can see root localhost, then able to run whatsoever files you want to create. Actually working well. ls to put down cut test. You can see actually working really good. Close the terminal, then you can create new files inside the file. You want to create new file, you can do a lot. Go around and explore it. If you long press, you can see some things you can do. Create a new file, new folder, open folder, insert file, you can copy. It actually adds and does exactly what you can find on Visual Studio Code. So to be able to get and master it, you can actually just download the application, go through it and try to explore and see what the features of the app and try to implement and use it. So this is how to run Visual Studio Code like editor on Android phone. Very simple, no complex setup, and it's very lightweight and doesn't take much of a space. So you can actually have more space to run your project and many more. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to click on the like button and smash the subscribe button to get more notifications and get more how to run softwares on Android, which you can find on your laptop and many more. So don't forget to click on the like button.
Looks like a million.